Hello everybody. So my name is Shubhajit and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your ads, launch your ads and also optimize your ads all by Growtake AI. Okay? So let's dive in. First, when you sign up for Growtake AI, here is the different four tabs. Okay, so first tab is advertising, where the main thing happening, where we can access all of the ad platform according to your package. Next is the creative hub, where basically you can templatize your ad creative, or you can choose from our creative hub template creative hub. Next is the analytics hub, where basically you can connect all of your ads account for all of your different social media ad platforms, and here you can access in just one dashboard everything. You can see all of the result and everything, right? Next is the brand context. It's basically the AI brain hub. Like, what is the meaning? Here you can train your AI according to your industry, according to your business, because AI work properly when it's have a better data or vast data about your brand. But don't worry, just upload your sorry sir, just paste your website and just click on generate. It will be trained by itself. Okay, so first, in upcoming video I will be deep dive on the like AI training stuff, but for now it's the simple. We run a meta ads for a gym, for example, right? So first we need to connect our Meta Ads account or Facebook Ads account. So click on the connect account and here you can see the Facebook page and Instagram page. Just click and here you can select. It takes 10 seconds just. Okay. So now what we need to do, click on which platform you want to run ads. For example, Meta. And Meta meaning here you can able to run ads from Facebook or Instagram. So what we do, first click on the goal tab, because what is our goal is main important. For example, our goal is to generate leads. So click on leads and save. Next, here is the main part. Here we need to type what we want to advertise. For example, before that, click on this little pencil button and you can go this brand section, like where train AI. So first, I'm just quickly go to Gold Gym website, paste their URL to train our AI, and just click generate. Our AI will automatically freeze the data from website and also train it itself. So now you can see it already select which product or service they are providing, brand name, what the industry. This is the main important thing. And here is some data. If you want to choose some data, more data is better. Other than, here is the instruction where you can tell AI avoid uh, emojis, what need to, like, as the brand context stuff. Okay, or also you can select from media, but for now that's it. We just paste the website and click on generate. Our AI will automatically train itself. So just click. So now here is the stuff we need to type, what we need to advertise. For example, personal training gym in Mumbai, or if you have any offer, so for example 20% off. So what we need to tell AI, just click on as a raw format and just click on generate. Boom, our AI will automatically analyze your business, analyze your product. According to that, it will create a hyper high converting ad copy, primary text headlines, target audience, also find the creatives and everything what you needed. Okay, now we can see what our AI will generate or find. And you can see it show different of headline, like primary text, and headline for advertising. So that's why it automatically select the A/B testing, and also it selects some videos. But you can upload your own video, or you can like create through our platform. Like if you want to create images, so here you can upload your own video, or sorry, own images, or you can create through our platform through our AI image generator. So just what we need to click, our AI will automatically fetch the prompt for you. You just click on that, or you can type whatever suits your creative and just click generate. Our AI will automatically generate a ads for you. If your prompt is very good, it will give more and more result, but otherwise we give you the idea, so that's why it not be a blank. Now you can see we create a basic ad creative. Okay, now you can, when you go to this, evaluate your training or whatever you want to add some logo or something, it will be there. Okay, but for now you can upload your own creative is best work for you. Other than here, you can see your ad copy and everything is ready. Next is the call to action. Choose your call to action, learn more or apply now, download, whatever. And here is the main part, targeting. So our AI will find the best targeting for you, or we can suggest you just good to go, because it's have a proven track record. So it's what it generate, it already researched by AI. Okay, next is the age targeting people like 25 to 55. Most of our people are in this age, they are more capable and like apply for personal training because they have a money but they have don't time or experience. Okay, right? And then it's have a location, if you want to choose your location, and also you can type your language. Okay, or other than it's good to go, our AI will later solve anything. Next is the leads. So for example, when people click your ad, so where they go, we need a form, we call it instant form. So if already have there on your ads account, it will be shown here. Or other than you can create through our platform, you don't need to switch any other platform or business manager. Or we have give you different variety of template, just import, and here you can see your form is ready. And when you click on create, it will be create. Okay, next thing is the budget. So budget, you will be add your budget. So for example, 500 rupee, yeah, 200 rupees according to you. Other than in the optional tab, what we need to do, just turn on the optimization. So our ad will automatically optimize when have anything error or anything. Okay, and other than when we click the launch button, our ad will be live. That's it. This is the simplest thing. Okay, we run our ad first ads. Okay, next, when you launch your ads, what it look like when you launch your ads. So just click on the advertising, or you already in default advertising, just scroll and past it. Here, recent tab, here is the ads. When you click to see the results, here you can see exactly how the result look like. Okay, so here you can see we spent almost 600 $160. Okay, and we generate almost 1573 leads. Okay, and also here is the cost per lead, $3. It's our cost per lead, and here is the CTR, everything. And when you scroll down, here you can see the little roadmap. So roadmap is basically our AI will automatically optimize your campaign when it need to optimize. Okay, everything it will be created by or done by AI. And you can see how much spend clicks it's shown there. Or if you want to change something, for example this ads is not working or anything you want to change, you don't need to switch business manager or other platform. Here is the edit and preview tab. Here you can see exactly what need to change. Click on edit and it will be edit or whatever something. Okay, and here you can see our ad combinations we currently running. And if you want to change the budget, here is the budget section. Okay, here is the edit and preview tab. And what is the tab? Optimize insight. This is the main important tab. Okay, where basically here you can see our creative section. This is the ads is best working for us. Okay, and this is the ads is low performing. our AI will identify what the best suit for you automatically, and according to that it will automatically optimize when you turn on this optimize for me features. And here you can see all of the primary text here, what we use, all of the images, and also here you can see this image is got 100 lead, this image got 50 lead, this image got 1 lead. So we clearly understand what is working or not. Okay. And also when we click on the optimize, here is the magic. Our AI will automatically remove what is not working or with new asset, not just turn it off. Okay, here you can see all of this, all of the optimization and everything. And here you can see old asset, like this image is uh, or not working, or this image not working, it automatically removed. Okay, so that's why your ads get better and better. And also same with targeting levels, like audience level, like is the location. Here you can see all of the location, which location your ad be shown, on how much spend, demographic wise, and also if anything optimized. Here you can see bunch of thing AI will be removed from our targetings. So that's why your ad got every time updated and every time be optimized. You don't need to hire anybody to manage your ads or launch your ads. You can done with your own. Or this is just a meta ads. If you want to see Google ads, for example, you want to run Google search ads, for example. So first you need to connect your Google ads accounts, select with traffic, and here you can see our Google ad is the same way. You don't need to change anything. And here you can see all of the search campaigns, and you can find the relevancy. And here you can see our AI will automatically create headlines, descriptions, and also the best part is the targetings. And here you can see the structure is same. Okay, because you have the best user friendly tool. You don't need to switch Google ads how the UI looking like, or Meta ads how the UI. It is pretty much same, because in the backend we have do something, but in front end you have the same dashboard and everything. So that's why you don't need to figure out what the things is, because we are very much simpler on this UI. Okay. And here you can see the relevant keyword to match your campaign, and you can type like see what is the AI generate for you, like the keyword people are searching and they got your ads. Okay. And here is the website, or you can attach your lead form or whatever. And also budget, here you can add your budget. And same thing. Also you can create your own beatings also. Okay. Or other than just click on launch, it will be launched, and also the result will be shown like this. If you want to know more about this, so in the description we will share our official website. Here you can just go to Growtake, or you can type growtake.com. You can see all of the things, like, and also if you think it's working for your business, or have a try for that. Okay, so thank you, signing off, Subhajit. Bye.